Hi everyone, today I want to show you 5 hidden or lesser known features your AirPods Pro 3 can do. Stuff you probably didn't know. So just let's begin. Thing number 1, heart rate tracking from your ears. Yeah, AirPods Pro 3 now include a built-in heart rate sensor. While you're working out, for example, they can track your heart rate and calories without needing an Apple Watch. So Apple calls this part of the new integrated workout body experience. So it really works cool. It really works cool, guys. To enable this feature, you should open your AirPods settings, and then scroll down and find here the heart rate. It's right here. And while it's enabled, just open Health app. Scroll down, here you will find your heart rate, and as you can see here you have heart rate in the real time. And as you can see, I can just remove my Apple Watch from my hand, and as you can see I still have live just heart rate, right? But it's very important, guys, that you have live heart rate only in AirPods, not with your Apple Watch. Apple Watch is not measuring your heart rate all the time, but AirPods do. So it's really cool feature, and you should know about it. And you need to know that your heart rate sensor in the AirPods is better than in your Apple Watches, because it's too accurate as your, I don't know, Garmin on chest sensor. Okay, thing number 2 is live translation in real time. Another mind-blowing feature. It's live translation. You can have a conversation with someone speaking a different language. Unfortunately, listening of supported languages is very short for now, and your AirPods will translate in almost real time. You hear the translated voice, but to use it, you should have iPhone 15 Pro or a newest one. For example, iPhone 16 or 17 for now. Thing number 3 is twice better noise cancellation. Apple claims the AirPods Pro 3 deliver 2x better active noise cancellation compared to the previous generation. That means in loud environments like planes, buses, cafes, busy streets, they block more ambient noise, so your music or calls stay much clearer. And number 4, longer listening in transparency. So with transparency mode, or when using the built-in hearing aid features, you can get just up to 10 hours of listening time. That's a big win for those times when you want ambient awareness but still want battery to last. So number 5, the last thing, is you can use the AirPods Pro 3 to remotely trigger your iPhone camera. So I don't know why people don't use that. Just look at that. I have one AirPod in my ear right now. Maybe I can't show you. But clicking on the AirPod, maybe I should have second one too. We can control the camera right here, but to enable this feature, we should open our AirPods Pro 3, scroll a bit down, enable camera remote, press once, or press and hold if you want, and just press and hold. Or press if you select press. And in this way you can take a picture. You can, for example, set up the camera timer, for example, for 3 seconds, click on your ear, wait for 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and cool, that's it. So wait a while, I'll try again. Yeah, that's it. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. There are more killer features of this device that many people miss, but if you like this one, so please hit a like and subscribe to our channel and comment below which feature surprised you the most. See you.